Advanced light helicopter Dhruv. It's been painted in the colors of the peacock or sarang, which is the helicopter display team or the aerobatic team of the Indian Air Force. Now, whichever show that the sarang participates in, apart from the pilots, there is a dedicated crew of technicians which helps in making these choppers fly worthy or serviceable. These are a group of 40 men, and they are all technicians that of different trades, and they work for 3 to 4 hours to maintain a fleet of 6 helicopters or 6 Dhruvs for the sarang team. And out of the 6, 2 would be on standby, 4 would be for the public display and for regaling the public. We have with us Squadron Leader Purohit and Flight Lieutenant Sandeep Singh with us, and they'll explain to us what the role of this ground crew is. These technicians, or a team of 40 technicians that they have under them, and they work day in and day out to make these choppers fly worthy that regale the public. So these people are the unsung heroes. They work behind the scenes, and let's ask them. Flight Lieutenant Sandeep Singh, what is the role of the ground crew? What is their daily job like? How much time do they take to prepare? Can you tell us very briefly and comprehensively what is the role of the ground crew?
To prepare 6 helicopters for flying, we need to come at least 3 to 4 hours prior and prepare the helicopters. The main role of ground crew is to prepare the helicopter, do the daily inspection and positioning of the helicopters. Apart from that, they make sure that all the ground checks are completed and the aircraft is flyworthy and serviceable for flying.
Squadron Leader Himanshu Purohit, you were telling about the ground crew. What does for a layman, what does he make of the work of the ground crew? What can we understand when you say that the ground crew is carrying out its daily inspection? What does it mean?
In Indian Air Force, we have technical and non-technical trades. All the technical trades are divided into various sections, and they have a particular role to do in the checking the serviceability. For example, we'll have trades like electrician trade, we'll have engine tradesmen, we'll have structure tradesmen, and they will be carrying out extensive checks on which they are trained, and they have gained experience over a period of years by working on similar type of helicopters. They are trained, they are being given specific training by specialized training institutes which are positioned within the Air Force. And then by gaining sufficient proficiency, they will come work in the field and they'll carry out specific checks on the helicopters to ensure that the helicopters are serviceable.
So these are the unsung heroes of the Indian Air Force. Nobody sees them up in the air, but their work is just as crucial. With camera person Anil Vasudev in Bengaluru at the Yelahanka Air Base, this is Nandita Dagar for DD News.